everyone, I got this big pimple right here and I have no idea where he or she came from. Let me just go you guys closer because I feel like you're super far away. Hi, hello. My hair is like in little braids and I just like tied them together so it's like not getting in my way. But we are going to get ready together tonight. I just have like a little long sleeve on because it's kind of cold in the house. But I'll show you guys what I do to get ready and a little bit of skincare. Sorry, I was like checking out my face because I like tried a new like foundation thing or whatever today and it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and roll up our sleeves and start getting ready. Probably make this smell like a chit chat, get ready with me or get unready with me, but the first thing I do is I take off my contacts. If you didn't know, I wear contacts. I've been wearing contacts since I was like, I don't even know, 15, 14, 13. I would say like since like 8th grade, that's what I would say. But I really need to get new ones and it's so bad because like I shouldn't even be wearing the ones that I am wearing. But I hate wearing my glasses and also because Poe like chewed up my glasses. So I like have no choice. One of the first things I do is I just get a wipes. I just use regular baby wipes to take off my makeup. I know like some people say that's bad for you, but like I've been doing this forever. So wipe it off. And I don't like to press too hard. I am breaking out a little bit though, just because I am PMSing. Not bad, but she's coming to rub all the makeup off of my eyebrows. Just because that's the place where I have the most makeup. Or I put the most product on. So this is like on like me on a normal night. I don't really wear that much makeup compared to before, so if I need to, I will like go back and either like use another wipe, like if I'm wearing like a full face of makeup, because I mean one wipe won't do it. Sometimes it will, but you know, you will need that extra wipe or so. Sometimes when I do want to like clean my makeup a little bit more, I will use the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts micellar cleaning cleansing water, only just because it's like, you know, good for you, no harsh chemicals, all that good stuff. And I would just use this if I'm wearing like a lot of foundation and makeup, like if I do like a full face or if I'm like going out and I have like full glam on. But oh my god, everything's falling out of the medicine cabinet. But I'm not, so we're just gonna skip that step. Lately I've been using the Mario Badescu Skincare Acne Facial Cleanser, and this is actually what replaced my St. Ives face scrub. Like the St. Ives made my skin look really, really good, but I believe I read somewhere that like the little beads that come in it are actually like bad for, number one, like bad for your skin because they can cause tears like in long run for your skin, and also like they don't like break down when they do go down the drain. So I was like, okay, next. It took me a while to find a decent cleanser because I'm like those people who like, if something works, why would I change it? So just put some of that on my hands. It doesn't really lather that much, it's just kind of like hand soap, but doesn't bubble. But I like to also double cleanse too. I also had like a couple random breakouts right here. I don't know if you can see them, but they literally showed up like, I don't know where last night, but you know. So I just like to massage it on my face. I like to massage it more in the areas that I am breaking out too, because it is like an acne cleanser. So I like to focus it on the areas where I usually I'm more prone to breaking out. I'm gonna swoosh that in. And then I bought this like, what is this? I don't know. It's basically like a face wash brush. It is from the brand Earth Therapeutics. I believe this was only like $6 at Ulta. It's just like really soft bristled brush. Put some of my cleanser on it, so technically, like, I guess I double cleanse. But this is what I do. I do this especially, like, I don't do this every single night, but on nights where either I'm like breaking out a lot or like wear a ton of makeup. Because what I notice is, like, when I do wear a ton of makeup and I do this, like, you could still see the makeup on my brush, which is crazy. Because, like, after the wipe and like cleansing it one time, you'd think you'd get everything off, but no, you don't, honey. No, you don't. So we're just gonna scrub that all over my face. Again, I like to focus it more on like the problem areas, so like right here where I'm breaking out. I also like to do it in like both circular motions, like forward and backwards. And I really think this is what's been helping me. 100% believe it. Oh, my arms. But I just like to massage this really well in circular motion. Get it in the nose area. And then you're gonna rinse it one more time. We're gonna pat our face with the towel. I did buy some new face towels, but they're still in the laundry bin because I just bought them and I want to wash them before I use them. Yeah, and I was using like kind of like lukewarm water. I wasn't using like super cold water, nor was I using super hot water. Depending, like if I'm gonna do a face mask after, then I'll use hot water and I'll kind of like steam my face, which I can kind of like show you guys in another video. But I just like to use regular water, like warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just more like room temperature. And that's what I use when I just like normally wash my face. But if I'm gonna like do something extra, like a mask, then I will use like hotter water. That way like all the pores open up. And then when I do use a mask or like anything like that, I'll like put it on, wait a couple minutes, and then when I wash it off, I'll wash it off with warm water and then go through it with cold water, just so like, you know, the pores open and close. And then I'm just going in right now with my Pixi Glow Tonic Glycolic Acid Exfoliating Toner. I used to have like 2 big ones, but I like am out of it. This is burning me because I have actual pimples. Okay, it's not burning that bad, but it's like, get it in there. I'm like no skincare expert, so don't come for me, please. And then, see that even after washing your face twice and like everything, you still got a little something. I like to do that actually, like to wait for that to dry. And usually this is like where I like brush my teeth. I'm gonna put my teeth down now. And then from there, I'll use the same old face cream that I've been using, that my mom gets at this like Filipino store. I've been trying to find something like to substitute this, but like I haven't yet, which is really upsetting because I don't want to rely on this. Like I eventually want to like move towards like a different face cream or like night cream, just because I'm scared that one day they're gonna like ban it and I won't be able to get it and I'm gonna be really, really fucked. And then whenever I apply like any cream or like moisturizer to my face, I like to like go upwards, so like the forehead area upwards. Like I like to go down and then I go up automatically and like immediately, just because, you know, no frown lines, no wrinkles, even here, upwards, upwards, massage it upwards. But that is pretty much it. We are done for tonight. I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you so much for having a good time with me and watching me get ready. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!